Here's the deal, this video isn't for everyone. In fact, you should probably leave right now if you aren't ready to take this seriously. If you aren't willing to make a change, if you're not someone who wants to learn something new, if you're not willing to put in the work, then please close this video and go back to watching what you were watching before. This message is for those who are done playing it safe. Who knows that working harder isn't the answer and trading your time for money isn't sustainable. Now if you're still here, pay attention because I'm about to blow your mind. Ready? Welcome to Wealth Hustle Hub, the place where we discuss everything regarding building wealth through hard work, strategy, and hustle. Today I want to share with you how to quit your job. Now this is a simple topic that most gurus turn into some 30-minute long breathy overshare. Well, I'm gonna cut straight to the chase and give you my best advice. And stick around until the end because I am gonna now share with you 3 AI tools that are changing the game when it comes to making money online. These tools have helped me scale several businesses to over $1 million a year and they are completely free to use. So let's dive in. You see, there are 2 paths in life. There's the path of the hamster and there's the path of the eagle. The hamster spends its life running endlessly on a wheel, always busy but never getting anywhere. Meanwhile, the eagle soars high above, effortlessly reaching new heights. The hamster represents the majority of people who complain about their jobs, yet they do nothing to change it. They keep doing what they've always done, expecting a different result. That's the definition of insanity. If you want to break free from the rat race, you must be willing to take a different path. You need to embrace discomfort and push beyond your comfort zone. Remember that quote, if you want to live your life, you must learn to be uncomfortable. When you're comfortable, that means you're still in the safety net of your old beliefs and habits. To break free, you must be willing to feel the fear and do it anyway. Now, there's this big myth out there that you need to have a great idea or be super talented to make money. Let me tell you something, that's a bunch of BS. Successful people aren't necessarily more talented. They just have one thing in common, the willingness to embrace discomfort. Every single person I've met who's built a successful business or achieved their dreams did it by stepping outside of their comfort zone. For example, when I decided to quit my 9-to-5 job and pursue entrepreneurship, I was terrified. I had bills to pay and a reputation to uphold. But I knew that if I didn't take the risk, I would regret it for the rest of my life. So I took the leap of faith and it was the best decision I ever made. I've never looked back. The reality is that life is risky. Even staying in your 9-to-5 job is a risk because you're trading your time and energy for a paycheck. And there's no guarantee that this exchange will continue indefinitely. Embrace the risk, because the only way to truly succeed is by stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing uncertainty. Remember, you were born to fly. Don't settle for the hamster wheel. Now let me share with you 3 AI tools that can help you quit your job and live a life on your own terms. I've personally used these tools to grow multiple businesses to over $1 million a year and they are completely free to use. No. 1. The Autopilot. The Autopilot is a tool that allows you to automate your income streams. Number 2. The Visual Wizard. The Visual Wizard is an AI-powered design tool that lets you create stunning graphics and visuals in minutes. Whether you need to create social media posts, website graphics, or marketing materials, the Visual Wizard has you covered. You don't need to be a graphic designer to use this tool. Anyone can use it to create professional-looking designs. No. 3. The Ghostwriter. The Ghostwriter is an AI-powered writing tool that can help you create high-quality content in seconds. Whether you need to write blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions, the Ghostwriter can help you save time and produce top-notch content. This tool is perfect for entrepreneurs who want to establish themselves as thought leaders in their industry or for those who simply need help with their content creation. So there you have it, 3 incredible AI tools that can help you quit your job and pursue your dreams. Remember, the decision to quit your job and follow your passion is a personal one. But hopefully my story and these tools have given you the inspiration and resources to take the leap. Don't wait another minute. Start today and work your way to success. Take care.